Alright, I got a new little something for the kayak. I was gonna get a power pull, but I decided not to, just because I don't want to have to mess with the battery, and plus it was kind of expensive. So this is the river stick. It's basically like a manual power pull, I guess you used to say. What is over there? So I'm going to show you how to put it on a Coosa FD if you have one. If you go to their site, and then you'll contact the owner and whatnot if you want to purchase something like this, but they are kayak specific, so they have different plates, or just however the back of your kayak is set up in order for, and he makes the plate like this bottom plate right here, so that will go depending on what kind of kayak you have and how it has to go on. That's all custom, and then you pay for it and ships it to you. Pretty simple. Alright, it came with all the hardware, obviously. I ended up with these two longer screws just because I wanted to get a handle, because if I didn't get a handle, this right here covers this, and then I have no way to pick the back of it up. So first thing you want to do if you have a Coosa FD, you want to take these little placeholder screws out. All they are is plastic screws that go in there just so just so it's not exposed if you are not using them. Alright, let's get these out. A little crusty, not too bad. Alright, so I need the two longer ones. Did I grab those already? Okay, I need the handle. So let's see. I already took the string out, and right there's the pull. But I'll show you how it works when it's on, because this is just bunched up with a zip tie when you get it. And then okay, this is gonna be interesting, trying to balance this. Okay, I need them like that. So let's get this first one in there. Now it's at least held. Okay. Pop this other one in. Got a little bungee there too. Not sure what that's for. I did just remember one thing. I thought I had extra pad eyes to run this cord, so I was going to run it like over to here and then come down about right here somewhere, just pull it. I don't have any pad eyes, so I guess that's okay. I want to test it before I start drilling holes anyway. So, but this is basically what it is. It's just like a little spring-loaded cleat. So when you pull it in there, it opens up, and then it just cinches down on itself. I wonder why this one's not. Maybe when there's pressure it'll be different. Oh, is this one busted or what? I don't know, I have to look into that. Maybe I'd drop something, but alright, so I need to grab these other screws. Stick those bad boys in there. So far so good. I'm just going to do it. I ain't going to tighten them hardly at all. I just want to test it out. Alright. So basically the other screws that you get are to go into there. And then into your kayak. And then he gave me a bunch of extra little pins. So what you're going to do is you're going to have, this thing's pretty stout too. It's pretty good weight to it. I think total it's 7 pounds, so it is lighter. I mean, the rod's pretty stout, but like the whole unit together, I believe, is only like 8 pounds, something like that, maybe less. All right, so I guess I'll just put the pin in. I don't really need to put this in yet. Let's see how this is gonna work. All right, so basically I'm gonna run this down like this and then over to here, but like I said, I have no pad eyes right now. So let's pick this thing up. Oh, that goes up nice. And now let's just slam it. All right, that ought to stop me. Maybe I should have put the little cotter pin in. So that's how that works. So I need to go get a pad eye or something so I can put this on. But basically, this is gonna go probably right here. I don't want to run anything on top, although I could, but see, my handle's in the way, so I'm probably gonna have to do it like that and then bring it down. So I'll probably put this right here. So basically this is going to go through like this, and then it just pinches. Okay, I see. So this one don't need to be spring loaded. This one, alright, catches pretty good. So that's how I'm gonna mount that. That's gonna be there. Probably do one pad eye here, one pad eye here. Alright guys, so that is the river stick in the driveway. That's not the river stick out in the marsh, but next video, when I'm able to get out and go fishing and hopefully catch something to make a video, I will let you guys know what I think of it. But all right, if you guys like the video, leave a like, and if you liked it, consider subscribing. Hit that little bell ding dong notification thingy up there so you know when I upload. The fishing will be coming, but I will definitely let you guys know what I think of this the next time I go fishing, and hopefully catch enough fish to make a video. And once I do that, I'll go ahead and actually show it in action on water, stopping and whatnot, and let you know what I think of it. But until next time, thanks for watching.